Hey, welcome back everybody. So it is Sunday. I didn't have a chance to go out fishing yesterday, but we're going to go out today for a little bit. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I got the kayak loaded up. And I am going to go to a local lake. One I fished a couple times here recently. I don't remember the name. South Lake, because it's close by. And I'm thinking it's going to rain today. Even though the forecast said it's not, it just looks like it's going to rain any minute now. Regardless, we're going to get out. We're going to give it a try, see if we can catch some fish and have some fun. So let's see what happens. All right, so we just got to South Lake. We got another kayaker out here. It's pretty calm. I didn't bring the fish finder today. I just wanted to go and try to catch some fish. I'm gonna go into that little section over there, then go back to my spot over there. Got something. Wow, got a champion. Go. You see that? Caught me a nice bass. Look, size of my hand. We didn't skunk though. How about that? Can't tell if I got him. I did. Oh, he came off. We had him, guys. We had him on the swim bait. Another bite. Come on. The swim bait's what they want. It's a nice little fish. I wanted the swim bait. I wanted it bad. Hopefully we got a good view of him somehow. Very nice. Bass number 2. Thanks, bud. And technically that we should call that number 3, right? Let's see if we can get on some more fish. Got another one. It's not too big, not too small. He's hungry. Alright. And let me show you what we got that one on. The Cabela's $1.50 special with a cane thumper. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, start recording. Let's see if we got a good picture. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's little video of me kayak fishing in South Lake. I was pretty disappointed when I came home, reviewed the footage because the last fish I caught was a pretty nice bass, and I nailed him on the swing bait, and it put up a pretty good fight. It was just a fun catch. I get home, look at the GoPro footage, and of course, it's nowhere to be seen. So, for some reason, my GoPro had its commands backwards. And I'm not even gonna say it because I'm using the GoPro right now. But when I asked it to record, it would, in essence, stop, and it was going the other way around. Who knows what was happening? It's cursed. But I did catch a decent bass, and it was It was the best one of the afternoon, and I didn't get it on GoPro. We did get the picture of it, and look, here it is again. Bam. We did catch it. Just didn't get it on video. Oh, I didn't get now it's not cooperating. Who cares? Yeah, that sucks. Anyways, I did get a microphone today and the microphone adapter, so I have that in right now. So we'll see in the next few videos if the audio quality gets any better than what it's been. So again, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on the next video. Catch you on the next one.